I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Python. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you understand which tool is better suited for different data tasks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data professional, this comparison will provide valuable insights into leveraging these powerful applications for your data analysis needs. Let's dive in and discover their unique strengths. Excel shines with its user-friendly interface, making it incredibly accessible for quick data entry and basic calculations. It's perfect for managing datasets up to approximately 1 million rows, and its built-in functions like SUM or average are straightforward to use. Creating charts and graphs to visualize your data is also very intuitive, allowing for immediate insights without needing to write any code. It's a fantastic starting point for many data-related tasks. Python truly stands out when dealing with massive datasets, effortlessly processing millions of rows. Its scripting capabilities allow for powerful automation, transforming hours of manual work into seconds. For advanced analytics, including complex statistical modeling and machine learning, Python offers an extensive ecosystem of libraries. Furthermore, it integrates seamlessly with various databases and external systems, making it an indispensable tool for comprehensive data pipelines and sophisticated projects. So, when should you choose which? Excel is ideal for immediate data exploration, quick calculations, and when you prefer a visual, point-and-click interface for smaller projects. Python is your go-to for large-scale data manipulation, automating repetitive processes, and performing advanced statistical analysis or machine learning. Ultimately, many data professionals find value in using both, leveraging Excel for initial insights and Python for deeper, more complex work. The best tool truly depends on your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.